Tatiana, grabe yung batang yun, no?
Grabe.
Yung musicality niya kasi talaga parang kakaiba.
It's jazz.
At saka alam mong yung parents niya musikero, that makes so much sense. Kasi the way that she sang the song, in fact, it's a pop song, Flowers, Miley Cyrus. Pero the way that it was arranged,
Iba.
iba eh. Like, and you know that
They really had fun with it.
they really had fun with it. They prepared for it knowing that it's something that would really pique our interests. So, galing. And masaya rin kaming napunta siya kay Coach Julie. Apparently, sumali na rin pala sila dati. Sila nung dad niya sa The Voice Generations. And then, hindi sila mabot sa finals. But I think that girl is set out for another story this time. So, we're excited to see your growth, your journey, and see you. And congratulations, Tatiana, on entering Team Julie.